olunaku olwaleero tuyingidde olunaku olwokusatu ng'akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda mu kibiina ekya NRM kisunsula abagenda okuvuganya mu kamyufu ak'NRM akagenda okubeerawo ng'ennaku z'omwezi 16 omwezi ogujja ogw'omusanvu, era nga abasunsuddwa olunaku olwaleero ekyaleero tugenda kubeera nga tubatuusaako basobole okubeera nga batunnyonnyola biki bye bayiseemu na biki bye bagenda okukolera abantu baabwe butya nga baweereddwa ekifo ky'obubaka obwa paaliyamenti. Byonna tugenda bitutuusaako wano ku Kanoni Media Uganda. Mulindwa Burhan, tugenda butereevu tukulage biki ebibaddewo, biki ebitambula okutuuka akawungeezi ku ssaawa zigenda kubeeramu.
I'm elected, I'm going to see that I follow up closely all government programs that they implemented the way they are supposed to be, and I will also try to follow up closely the presidential initiatives like the 4-acre model system, like the PDM money, because I really know that our people down there are not doing well financially or economically. So this 4-acre model program has been proved to be the best that can help our people eradicate poverty. And I shall always work hand in hand with my people. I shall always consult my people. I will not betray my people. I will not get lost from Kampala here. I know my office shall always be in my constituency with my people. We shall always plan together as people of Kakumiro to ensure development of our region, of our district, of our sub-counties, of our LCs where we are coming from. And by virtue of that, I also want to take this opportunity to also thank people that have come to escort me during this time of my nomination. I've carried buses and buses from Kakumiro. They voluntarily came to escort me